In this video, I will show you how to enable and use command mode in Wispr Flow to seamlessly translate and edit your documents. Let's get started. I begin by opening the settings menu in the bottom left corner of the Wispr Flow interface. From here, I navigate to the experimental tab, where I find the option for command mode. I'll go ahead and toggle this on, which allows me to use advanced voice commands to manipulate text across different applications. Now, I'll switch over to a Google Doc containing a complex report regarding international diplomacy and global landscapes. I want to translate this entire passage, so I place my cursor at the end of the text and trigger the command mode shortcut. I simply say, "Translate this into Spanish," and you can see the command bubble appear as the AI begins processing my request. The AI replaces the dense English report with a high-quality Spanish translation that maintains the professional tone of the original document. This result provides a fluent and accurate version of the text, making it perfect for sharing with international colleagues instantly. Next, I want to bring the text back to its original language, so I highlight the Spanish content and activate command mode again. I give the instruction to translate it into English, and after a brief processing period, the text is reverted. Finally, I'll show you how to refine the writing by triggering the command mode one last time and saying, "Simplify the context." This prompt asks the AI to take the long, academic paragraphs and rewrite them into something much more digestible. The resulting text is significantly shorter and more straightforward, successfully stripping away the complexity while keeping the core message about global tensions and diplomatic efforts intact. If you found this walkthrough helpful, please consider liking the video and subscribing for more quick tips and tutorials.